Hey everyone, I'm Cubastic and welcome to my channel. Today on my table there are 3 incredible puzzles, which I've prepared for you, and each of them is really unique and interesting. And they are all united by one theme. Write in the comments which one, if you have guessed already. Well, today I have on my desk a Rubik's Cube, but it's not a regular Rubik's Cube, it's a modified one. I decided to make a so-called sticker mode. And that is to paste stickers on it, and this is what happened. I think that many of you have already realized what this cube is. It doesn't look very difficult, but quite unusual. I also have on my desk a little puzzle called a deconstructed house. Today we will need to build it. There is also an additional task, so let's warm up. How much is one of these things? Asked the buyer in the store. $12, the seller answered. And 12? $40? Actually, I need 120. No problem, it costs $60. What did this person buy? Well guys, frankly, I don't know. Okay, this is an extra assignment for you guys. So please think guys and write your answers in the comments. Please, I will be very glad, because now I don't want to solve it, because I'm more interested in solving what's inside. And inside we have a house which consists of 5 cute wooden parts. They are really 5? So few, as if something is missing. And we need to build it, because it's disassembled. And the star of today's video, an incredibly beautiful puzzle printed with a 3D printer called bricks. There are 6 yellow beautiful bricks, and they are quite heavy. They feel like a brick. This is a 3D printed puzzle, and look at this, at the top layer of this chest. This box is so amazing. First, I really like the color, such a metallic. If you look closely, you can see such small glitter. I love the structure so much. I'm very proud of myself for being able to print this. It's very beautiful. So guys, our job is to put all 6 bricks inside, so they all fit in. Well, let's start solving these puzzles, but first I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. Let's make a deal with you right now. Right now, subscribe to the channel, watch the video to the very end, and if you like it, you are still a subscriber to my channel. And if you don't like it, you can immediately hit dislike and unsubscribe. I will not be upset because I'm confident in my content, and you support Speedcuber content. Well, let's start with the house. We have already unpacked it, so let's figure it out. First, let's get a stopwatch and press start to see how long it takes me to solve this puzzle. So, what we need to do is to make this exact shape out of these 5 details. And the first thing I can say is that this little thing here is definitely a chimney, because there is no other such small thing. It should definitely be right here. Well, I have to look for right corners. We have them here, 1, then 2, and the third right here, near the chimney. By the way, right corner and a chimney, it looks pretty good. Oh, it fits perfectly, listen. I'm supposed to be very close to a solution, or I only think so. And then I need to adjust the shape of the house. By the way, it's almost it. Ah, okay, almost. I don't wish you to live in such a house. If you cover it up like this, it's like there's a cabin in here. Do you see it? Maybe we should try some other side, like this for example. Oh, this is how it works, look, this is how it works. Now you can cover up like this, and we will have the same cabin. Okay, only 2 pieces left, more complicated than I thought, but interesting enough. And yet, this puzzle is just a warm-up. Maybe we really need to swap them. Let's try it. Flip it, put it like this. No, something is wrong, but you can make a house like this, for example. What other options can there be? Let's think logically. This detail will definitely be a chimney. This pentagon will be, or this detail should be around here. Now I've got right corners, one here and one here. In such puzzles, it is desirable to find sides of the same length to combine these parts. For example, this is how it is combined. We can't put it together like this, because then there is a very uncomfortable corner, and it will always be so when we combine the details with different sides. We can do this. We can do this. No, that's not gonna work. That's how it works. That is, you have to stick to these rules. Wow, that's nice. Look at it. I just flipped this part, not like this, but like this. Here, look at this. And now I can safely say that we have solved this puzzle. Wow, that's so cool. Exactly 9 minutes. Stop. That's amazing. I've never built a house, but this one looks good. I, as a real man, should now plant a tree and raise a sun. But before you raise the sun, you have to hit the like button. And the next puzzle is a Minecraft Rubik's Cube. Yes, if you already assumed that these are colors from a Minecraft, you are right. Why is this puzzle in my hands? Because Minecraft is about construction, and today all our puzzles are dedicated to construction. We build a house, put together bricks, solve a Minecraft Rubik's Cube. The audience of my channel is different ages, and I decided to please those who are interested in Minecraft. So guys, this Rubik's Cube and its solution is dedicated to you. Let's get started. Well, I'm not sure I will solve it quickly, but I will try. Okay, 3, 2, start. So far, I'm not bad. While I solve this puzzle, write in the comments what each of the 6 textures you see on the Rubik's Cube is called. How do they call it in Minecraft, because I honestly don't know. Will you do it before I finish? Okay, 30 seconds. Well, look, not bad. I think it's land. Let's test my knowledge. It's soil, it's grass, it's lava. Not fire, lava, it's glass most likely, or water, because it's blue. This is, let it be gold, I don't know. And I don't know what it is for sure. But I do know exactly what this is made of. And this puzzle, the star of today's video, is a brick puzzle. I printed it out using a 3D printer. Honestly, it is not simple, but not too difficult. Here, you need a little try to solve it. I think many of you can do it. You can try it out. So, what should bricks look like? Brick wall should look like this. And if we look like this, we see that a rectangle of this size is clearly placed inside this box. And height and width and length. But we are limited to this hole here. It's smaller and can fit 2 rectangles. 2 rectangles. We can put one more in here and that's all. But we need to somehow put everything else in. But the most attentive of you will notice that we can insert bricks not only horizontally, but also vertically. So we have already 4 inside. Next we can move it like this and insert another one. So we have a whole 5 pieces inside. As you can see, we put both horizontally and vertically, and that gives us ability to move them somehow. And they move very simply, according to the principle of 15 puzzle. We put on a blank space, what can be there? As you can see, we don't have many of these options. But somehow we need to make room for the last brick. And we have it here. Empty space for the last brick. And no matter how hard we try, we won't be able to put it in, even if we try to do it this way, at this angle. It's better not to do so. Well, this is the best I can do. but only at first glance. Attention, spoiler alert! I'll show you the solution, so if you want to solve this puzzle yourself, you better not watch this video and you better go to my other videos. The solution to this puzzle is in space, and in such cases we don't have to do it inside the frame. We can do it outside first, as we did at the beginning. We looked at them, we looked at the shape the parts should have, and checked how they fit in here. Now we have the thing in reverse. We have to figure out how to put the details in such a way that we can then also put the last detail in the middle. So these parts can be arranged like this, for example. We can put them like this inside the box, and inside we will put the last item, and our last item will clearly fit inside. We are not going to be able to put it on the edge here, because that's where this fence starts. Let's try to place the details inside the frame in this way. The first two will be very easy to place. So, the bottom horizontal also fits. Now the question is how to put the vertical here, because now we can't put anything here vertically, it doesn't fit. And we have to make room for that right here. And that's done just by moving the parts. Well, but you have to have a slightly more skillful hands than I have. We put it on this side, and now this detail fits here easily. You can even put another one up here vertically, and now we need to create a space in the middle by moving parts, and then we can put the last brick inside. But we can still simplify the task. Put at once not 5, but 4, then we will have more space for manipulation. And so we are already able to make this arc. Right in the middle we are going to put the 5th arc in, and we are going to have space for the last one. The last puzzle is solved. Of course, everything seems very simple, but this is only if you already know the secret. Solve puzzles without spoilers. Pump your brain. This is really interesting. I got a lot of fun from this, and I hope you too. Thank you all for your attention, that's the puzzle we had today. Write in the comments which you liked the most. And if you didn't unsubscribe, then you loved it. Thanks for watching, I'll see you very soon in the next videos. Bye everyone and have a good time. Nice. Look. No, it won't fit this way. It would be funny if there is some other way to solve it. I think viewers will find it.